Well, there goes another limestone mountain. You've heard the saying, I'd move mountains. These guys are actually doing it. I've been unable to ride for the last 4 weeks due to a knee and ankle injury. But I've tried to keep the drone and cameras rolling and focus on the spectacular countryside that we ride through. The afternoon and evening rides take us to another level of adventure riding. Lots of people have different ideas on what sort of bike is the best for doing this sort of adventure riding, but my answer is the one you've got. More and more of the riding areas are getting levelled out and turned into factory sites and housing estates. Why do so many people go to so much trouble to drop their rubbish out in this beautiful bush? I guess it's because we charge so much to go to the rubbish tip. When there's no breeze, the slow motion certainly shows the dust hanging in the air. These cactuses along here are growing really well. Luckily they don't need too much water. It's good to see that most of these paper barks can handle the drought conditions. Time for a quick snack at the Wattle Up Deli. And then trouble strikes. The motor's not running as well as it normally should be, and I notice the gears are sort of jamming up a little. This does not look good. Watery oil being pumped out of the breather, the gearbox breather, and low on water. Where'd the water go? Yep, into the clutch and gearbox. And that's the tide level. Water pump seal has blown. Meanwhile, the rest of the lads are undeterred with a local health food provided by BP. Summer's over and this part of the bush is looking pretty good.